Article writing, how to make fast quality articles. Writing down your thoughts is an easy task, but making them appealing to the readers is difficult. When you write an article, you sit on chair of an expert. People read your thoughts as if you have a thorough knowledge of the topic you are dealing with in your article. So writing an article puts whole lot of responsibility on your shoulders, the responsibility of being true and genuine. If you want to have panache in your writing, there are certain points that you should keep in mind. These are certain basics of article writing. In this day and age, competition is fierce when it comes to article writing on the net. One of the most important elements of successful article writing today is to be able to produce high-quality articles fast. There is a method that you can use in order to write an article fast. The ultimate key to writing an article fast is to understand your topic. There is an old mantra in writing that you should only write of those things of which you have actual knowledge. Start writing about something you are familiar with. After that, before you begin writing any article, you need to make sure that you educate yourself on the subject. In addition, when it comes to the easiest way to write an article fast, you need to understand that fast article writing takes practice. Therefore, you need to and hashtag 8220 workout and hashtag 8221. You need to write regularly. Many professional writers recommend that you write each and every day. You need to schedule a regular time to write, even if you do not have an active project in production. By following this course, you will become a better and faster writer in no time. The basic of article writing is that the articles you write should be well organized. This means that the article should have an introduction to the topic, which introduces the readers to the topic, followed by paragraphs that deal with the topic, and a conclusion to the topic. Using the above format gives the readers a chance to understand your article better, and you will be able to convey your message properly to the readers. Finally, when it comes to the easiest way to write an article fast, remember the principle of keeping it simple. You do not have to write a complicated article. People like to read articles that are easy to understand. Therefore, you do not need to litter your writing with unnecessary fancy words. Keep it simple, and you will keep it easy.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.